Hey guys, Kyle from Frio here, and today I'm going to show you how to test your ABS module. This light isn't on, okay? That's when you're thinking, when you suspect it might be losing pressure. All right, let's get started, folks. This is the first procedure we need to do. All right, here's the deal. Put the car in. Nice. Fred set this up tight here. You can see it on the dashboard, right? So what are we going to do, huh? I released the parking brake. The light went off. See? I'll go to the brake pedal, see? I'm going to take my foot off and the car's going to start rolling. When it starts rolling, I tap the brake a bit and hold it. There. It is. I'm holding it. I'm not forcing anything else, and I'll just leave it here. See? Let's see. For now, nothing. But I want to. This one's losing pressure. You'll notice. Want to see? Look, it stopped. I'm pressing the brake, okay? And little by little, it starts making a noise. Like it's releasing the brake. So the fluid returns. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it started. Through the mirror. Oh, there. So, what do you gotta do? I rest my foot on the brake again, okay? There I touched it again. But you have to stay steady. You can't force it. You can't do anything. And then you'll notice that if it's a problem in the hydraulic section of the ABS module, it's going again. It's starting to drop. Look, this one here, see? Hey. It started dropping again, right? So this right here is a test we use to check if the car is losing pressure or not. A very important point. Here's the deal with this test. I don't think this car is going to have much of that. But some cars, when you hit the brakes, it's with the car stopped. You can push the pedal all the way down, okay? And say, so is my car losing pressure? No. This is the test you need to do. If you pressed the brake pedal and the car didn't move, leave it in N. I put it in P so we could talk. Leave it in N. Don't put it in D or reverse, because it puts strain on the car. Yeah, you did the procedure. Your car didn't move here. We're on an incline, okay? Man, your brakes aren't losing any pressure. That saves you a headache and unnecessary wear. Now, we're already moving on to the ABS module because we ran the tests on all the necessary tests on the master cylinder. Okay. And the master cylinder was fine here. The problem is in the hydraulic part of the ABS module, so you'd have to service it. If you have any questions, leave your comment down below. Kaio, why is this happening? How can I test it? I'll drop a WhatsApp link here too so you can get in touch. Kaio, I'm really having a problem with the hydraulic system. I replace it, I do maintenance. Get in touch with us, okay? And there I'll be able to tell you, is it worth fixing this module? This module is worth replacing. So if you're going through this problem, or if you've already dealt with this problem, leave your comment down below. All right, folks, a big hug.